can just unmute yourself. Over to you. Yes.
My voice is coming, sir?
Yes, loud and clear.
Good evening, everybody. Thank you, Vishal sir and Go Nature team for educating people for natural healings and their endless efforts. I am 100% satisfied with Go Nature and I follow regularly. My energy level is improved very much by doing small things told by you, Vishal sir. So I think Go Nature is a very big revolution in health sector in coming 2, 3, 5 years. It is a very big revolution, and I think it will affect the medical sector also, because you are educating people in natural, how to heal naturally. It is a very big revolution. Yesterday I drove from Nagpur to Ahmedabad, approximately 900 kilometers. I drove for 15 hours. I think it is due to your high workshop trainings, because we attended 10-11 hours for 2 days. So my experience is very good with Go Nature, and I attended Agra session also. So thank you very much, sir, for doing very great thing for humanity. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. More power to you, Nityanand. Thank you for explaining your journey, and more power to you. Everybody, please type MPTY for Nityanand for sharing his